Hi there, welcome to the video. In this video, I am going to explain about the PSP constant. So let us understand what is PSP constant. PSP constant are name or identifier that cannot be changed during the execution of the script except for magic constant, which are not really constant. Constants are similar to the variables except once they defined they can never be undefined or changed. They remain constant across the entire program. PSP constants follow the same PSP variable rules. For example, it can be started with a letter or underscore only. Conventionally, PSP constants should be defined in uppercase letter. Always remember that unlike variables, constants are automatically global throughout the script. There are two ways to define PSP constant. The first way is using define function and the second way is using constant keyword. Let us understand how we can use a define function to create a constant. Using a define function, it defines constant at runtime. Syntax of define function in PHP is define, then the first parameter is name, which specifies the constant name, and the second parameter is value, which specifies the constant value, and the third parameter is case sensitive, which specifies whether the constant is case insensitive. Default value is false. It means it is case sensitive by default. In versions prior to PHP 8.0, it was possible to define case-insensitive constant by passing true as third parameter of the function. In PHP 7.3 and 7.4, the ability to define case-insensitive constant is deprecated. So let us understand how we can use a define function to define a constant through program. So I will create a function which is defined and I will give the name of variable as text and as value. This is my first text as it is a version 8.0. The third parameter is deprecated, so I am not going to use it, and I am going to print this constant. So let's see its output. Yes, it is working fine. The value of constant text is, this is my first text, and it show the output successfully. Now let us understand the second way to create a constant using a constant keyword. PHP introduced a keyword const to create a constant. The const keyword defines constants at a compile time. It is a language construct, not a function. The constant defined using const keyword are case insensitive. So let us create a constant using const keyword. So I'm going to use here const keyword const, and I will write here text is equal to, this is const keyword, and I am going to print this constant. So let's see its output. It should print this is const keyword s. Is the expected the value of constant text is, this is const keyword. Another way to print a constant is using constant. So I'm going to use constant to print the constant. Constant. This is another way to print a constant. Let's see its result. As expected, it also print this is a constant keyword. Now let us understand the difference between constant and variables, as I have explained already about the variables in the previous video and I explained constant in this video. So let us understand the difference. The first difference is, once the constant is defined, it can never be redefined, while a variable can be undefined as well as redefined easily. The second difference is, a constant can only be defined using define function. It cannot be defined by any simple assignment, while the variable can be defined by simple assignment operator. The third difference is, there is no need to use the $sign before constant during the assignment, while to declare a variable, always use the $sign before the variable. The fourth difference is, constant do not follow any variable scoping rules and they can be defined and accessed everywhere, while the variables can be declared anywhere in the program but they follow variable scoping rule. The fifth difference is, constant are the variables whose value cannot be changed throughout the program, while the variables value can be changed. The sixth difference is, by default constant are global, while the variables can be local, global or static. This is all about this video. I hope you have learned the concept of PHP constant as well as the difference between PHP constant and PHP variables, and also the concept to create a constant is also clear. Thank you for watching Technology 0 to 1.